Hey, what's up guys? Sega2003 here, and today I want to show you my dog, Moose, right here. Hey Moose, come here. Moose. You know, it's funny, I used to call him like that, like this. Moose. You want to say hi to the viewers, Moose? Moose. Moose. Moose, right here. Right here. Oh, look. Moose. 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 Say hi. As you guys can see, my dog right here, Moose, he's very nice, very kind, and he doesn't like bite or bark or anything. He's very gentle. He's harmless. I show respect to him a lot, but my family, I don't know. Moose. Moose, say hi. Oh, you're giving kisses to the viewers, are you? Moose. 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 Aw. So anyways, want me to tell you guys my secret? Who's my favorite dog is? Well, my favorite dog is Moose, right here. Except for my other dogs, because one of them are like, you know, like being mean. Oh, look at him. Say hi, Moose. I'm just kidding. Sorry. Alright. Let me know in the comments below, what is your guys' favorite dog? Like any kind of dogs, or who's your favorite dog in your life that you ever had before? And oh. Moose. 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 Alright. See ya. Say bye, Moose. Alright. Bye, guys.